Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. So the time has finally come. Samsung's Unpacked event is literally right around the corner, coming in early August. And right now, this minute, this exact second, starting today, July 19th, you can now reserve. I'll have a link down in the description below. Make sure you hurry up and do it because you can be able to reserve the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Z Flip 4. You can reserve a Galaxy Watch, the new Galaxy Buds. You can do all that right now to save your spot because, you know, sometimes there are times where things sell out and then you gotta wait extra long to be able to receive the product that, you know, you pre-ordered or maybe ordered a little late and then it just pushes it back even more. So right now you can actually reserve your spot to pre-order those. And they got some pretty good pre-order deals. So with the special link that I have down in the description below, you can get up to $200 in Samsung credit if you reserve all of them together. The new smartphone, the Galaxy Watch, and the Galaxy Buds. If you reserve all of those three together, you can get up to $200 in Samsung credit. If you're just reserving the Galaxy smartphone, whether it's the Z Fold 4 or the Z Flip, you get a $100 Samsung credit. For the Galaxy Watch, you get a $50 Samsung credit. And for the Galaxy Buds, you get a $30 Samsung credit. But if you do all of them together, you get $200 in Samsung credit. Plus, Samsung always has the best trade-in deal. So if you're, you know, trading in something like maybe your old Note device or an old Fold device or maybe a Galaxy S device, you're gonna get some good Samsung credit. And they even take broken devices too. There's an option on there to select cracked screen. They won't give you as much, but they will still accept it as a trade-in device. So, I mean, that's always cool in my opinion. So make sure you hurry up and go right now, reserve your spot. I know I've already reserved my spot. That way I don't miss out on, you know, receiving my device, you know, late or anything like that. I want to get it as soon as possible. So hit that reserve button, go reserve your spot. Y'all let me know how excited you are about the new Galaxy devices coming out in August. I cannot wait. I am super excited. I know we haven't really talked about it too much on the channel. Me personally, I've been trying to stay away from, you know, the leaks and the rumors and all that because I like being excited. You know, I like being excited about this stuff and I want to be surprised when, you know, they launch the device and all that. So I'll definitely be covering them all here on the channel. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of that future content. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. Thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to go reserve your phone. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.